Today, I'll show you how to make a business website in under 30 minutes for less than $150. Hello, I'm Nelly from UENI and welcome to today's video. So unlike a lot of do-it-yourself solutions like Squarespace or Wix, UENI builds your website for you from scratch. And once it's delivered, you'll have full control over it, meaning you can easily edit your products, services, change your design, and all of this with just one click. Additionally, UENI will create your business profile. This will ensure that your business has a strong online presence, making it easier for customers to find you and trust you. Now, some of you might be wondering about the price, and can I just make a website for free, Nelly? Yes, sort of, you can. But there's two factors to that. One is that it's very time consuming, so don't expect to do that within an hour, even when you do use a custom, let's say Wix or Squarespace. And the other thing is you might not be left with a website that you're actually excited about or that you really wanted. So although websites might be free to design, it also won't be free to host. So keep that in mind if you're going down one of these routes. So our hosting fees are included in that one-time payment of $150. So if you go down the route of, let's say, hiring a website designer, you can expect to pay several $100s more or even several $1,000s more. Okay, that's enough about the competition. Let me explain why I think we have the best solution. So step one would be to sign up for the lifetime deal. And some of you might be wondering, well, what is this lifetime deal? What does it exactly mean? Well, to put it in a few words, it's pay once, use forever. So we'll create your website and you won't have to pay any additional fees afterwards. Our hosting service is fast, it's safe, and most importantly, it's free. In comparison, some do-it-yourself solutions might ask you to pay $10 to $20 a month just for the hosting fee. After sign up, you'll be directed to a questionnaire like this one. Here, you'll provide everything we need in order to get to know your business better. Upload images, describe your products/services in detail, share your social media accounts, set your design preferences, and provide all the essential information to create a one-of-a-kind website. This questionnaire won't take more than 30 minutes. So once our team has that information, they'll work really hard for the next 7 days to build a professional, eye-catching website for you. You'll get an email and an SMS message letting you know when it's done. A one-on-one call is included, allowing you to request any changes you want before the website is launched, and we'll personally teach you how to edit your own website. Yeah, can I get a small pigeon in the top right corner? I'm sorry, did you say pigeon? You want a pigeon in the top right corner? Yeah, no problem. We'll do our best to build a website you're happy with. Then we'll show you some ways to attract more customers and leads. Once we hold our one-on-one launch and training call, you'll be ready to start sharing your website with your customers. This is the last step if you're not looking for any extra help. But if you are, then you can choose to move forward into the bonus step. If you feel like you need more help from our side, you can get extra marketing tools and tailored online growth, where we'll provide a one-to-one business strategy, social media consulting, email marketing, and so much more. So our plans are optional and you can subscribe at any time. And there you have it. It's as easy as that. And you might be wondering, well, Nelly, what does my website include? It'll have all of the following. A Google business profile so people can easily find your business when they're searching Google or Google Maps. You'll be able to share information about your business like photos, hours of operation, and customer reviews. Access to our hub to easily manage your business from color schemes to customer reservations. You'll be able to do it all. You'll also be able to add new products or services, change prices or images, run special promotions, and so on. And lastly, if you don't like your website, just contact us in the first 30 days to get a full refund. So what do you have to lose? If you found this video helpful in any way and you want to see more content like this, just subscribe to this channel, drop a like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.